Boys and girls, I was walking at the park one evening and saw an amazing bird. Can you guess what bird I saw? It is a large bird with big round eyes. Yes, an owl. Watch and listen.
Ooh. Pretty big owl. Oh, yeah!
Look, boys and girls, at the baby owl's fluffy, downy feathers. Boys and girls, this is one of the babies looking down at us because it is wondering who is hooting.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Boys and girls, try hooting with me. Here we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Good job. You are smarter.